Hello, I received the question from a client on if it is possible to use these duckling molds with beeswax. I do not have beeswax. I have read that it is a bit harder and not so easy to break as soy wax or palm wax, yes, but I still want to show how you can work with them with wax. So why it won't work as it is? As you can see, these ducks have a quite interesting head, and there is a very thin place. We can demold clay or resin out of here because these are hard materials, but any waxes will break in these points while you will try to demold them. The same with these small ducklings. So what can you do to use these molds with wax? You need to cut the mold at least at one place. I prefer the place where the head points, like this. So this is a cut in this place. The second one, like this. If it won't be enough, you can make the cut also from the back side here. I will make it already. I think this will be needed. Oh, be accurate. I have made a cut also on the main part here.
Mama,
Today I'm with my kid, so hope while she's eating I will be able to finish this video. So the second cut here, this time I try to be more accurate, like this. When you cut small like this, you are able to open it wider and demold the breakable parts. The same with the large mold. I need to cut it like this. Here ducklings looks in the different sides, so take a look like this. I'm not sure if I need to cut the other side. I will start like this and take a look if it will work. So at place I had some candles. I will use them as this is a palm wax, so the colors are that it is, but need to show this on something. So we will try. I'm not a candle maker, I'm a polymer clay artist, but as our molds can be used with different materials, sometimes I need to test a lot of new things.
ew.
And already I can see that there is an air bubble inside. That's why transparent molds are better, because you can see through them, and if you can see the air bubble, you can adjust it at the beginning while it's still possible. So I hope I have made it correct. So I see another more air bubble. Hope there aren't any more of them. And now we will wait when the wax will harden and look at the result. Will it be possible? So we will take a look if it is possible to demold them or no. So a bit time have passed and now I will try to demold them. I'm not sure how long they should be still before demolding, but I hope I will succeed. So I will cut the excess wax around the holes. My child helps me to write this video to add some noises to it. So like this, and the small ones too. So when you use the molds with polymer clay, you also can cut them because if you don't bake the clay in the mold, it also can be challenging to demold them. So also with other materials you can cut the molds for easier demolding. Now let's take a look what we have here. So as you can see, it can be easily open and demolded. So you can see the small place where it was cut, but still it's not so big. Let's demold the second one. So it's super easy. Nice, I like the result. This is my first wax ducklings. Together with you, I'm using our mold, so is this wax for the first time. So here I made only one cut. Let's see if it will be enough. It is okay to demold. Everything is fine. Let's take a look at the second. So super easy to demold and no seams can be seen. It's tiny ones. For example, if you want to work on them, you can warm up a tool and take the seams away like this. Even not a warm tool can help you to make them not so easy to notice. So I hope this video will be useful for you and enjoy our molds. Bye.